Silverback Off-Road Speedway, best sand drag strip, beautiful venue. Just hundreds and hundreds of people from all over this state, states surrounding us. Like, it's grown into something I'm really proud of.
Absolutely.
Just a bunch of good people out here having a great time.
Oh, summer is definitely over.
It's cold outside. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are out here at RACETOBER 2023. Side-by-Side Blog is hosting it, and we're gonna have a good time. It's cold. We're not gonna let that stop us. The rain has went away, and sorry if it's like white out right now because it's just super cloudy, so no sun at all. It's kind of trying to peek it through a little bit, but we got X3 still in Tennessee mode. But we gonna rip her. We're gonna see if I can drag race it today. See what happens. I'm not expecting anything crazy. We got some crazy machines out here, some crazy power, some paddles that are bigger than my whole truck. Yeah, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna see if we can see 2JP, and I think they got Hellforce here. Their Hellcat engine, CF Moto, and just have a good time. It's gonna be a good day. Got some long jumps. We got some short course racing, which is new from last year. But this is the first time we've been here, and they're racing right now. That's what that noise is. So let's get to it. Let's go. All right, guys, we are out here at Silverback Off-Road Speedway, doing a little test and tune with at the Side-by-Side Blog event. Good time already. Good amount of people, so we're just waiting to go. They're smoothing out the track right now. It's a 4-track drag race right now for everybody. So yeah, so we should have a good time, and let's see how this thing does in the dirt with dirt tires. Let's go.
This is the one we all get excited about. I think it's about to zip down the freaking track right here. Let's go. Oh. There it is. Four-seater RS versus the Pro R. Sounded pretty beefy in the parking lot, so we'll see how it does. Oh, okay. All right, our buddy Keen from Mid-City Trailers. Go see him, guys. Elkhart, Indiana. Best trailers around, all right? See what he got. How does that make you feel? Sensational. So how's it going, man?
It's pretty good. There's a lot of fast machines out here. And that monster one, you guys see in a couple clips, ripping it hard on here.
Yeah, it's a lot of extremely fast machines that I'm not even gonna try to compete with, but it's
Not
a good
yet,
time.
not yet,
Yeah,
not
not
yet.
yet. This is inspiring us right now.
So it's a work in
Build a
progress.
drag unit. No, but yeah, no, it's a good time.
Good time so far. We're out here watching them all race. They're going to have a couple races where you actually can win some money coming
Yep.
up after this test one, and
Yep.
then you guys
This
will
is a
see some
bracket
jumps.
race?
Yeah, bracket race.
Yeah, bracket race
And
where you
then
can
after
actually.
that, it'll be a couple some long jumps.
Yeah, I think that's it right over there. If I can zoom in there, I think that's it. Yep. So the long jump is supposed to be pretty savage this year. It's different than the last time, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, let's keep going.
Keep enjoying.
All right, guys. So we got Mr. Doug here, Side by Side Blog.
Yes, sir. 2023 RACETOBER out here. Just having a great time. We're drag racing. We're going to do short course racing. We're long jumping. This is something like the 20th year for this event. So I started this in my backyard way back in the day. Just a bunch of buddies and me on quads, and it's just grown and grown and grown. Now we're here, Silverback Off-Road Speedway, best sand drag strip, beautiful venue. Just hundreds and hundreds of people from all over this state, states surrounding us. Like, it's grown into something I'm really proud of.
Absolutely.
Just a bunch of good people out here having a great time. So, thank you
man.
guys.
Hey, man. Thank you. Thank you for everything you do.
No problem.
All right, buddy.
All right, so we're at the long jump session.
Oh.
I don't know if we got it.
No, we didn't get that
I don't know
one.
if we got it, but long jump. So
Here, let me move a little.
yeah, is that good?
There you
so
go.
basically, they set up, they go around, they start up there. So another lot over there, and I don't know what the actual run-up time is or the length, but it's a pretty sick jump. So they come down here, see how far they can land, you know, see who wins. And someone's coming right
Someone's
now
coming
as
right
we
now.
speak. Zoom in there, buddy.
Woo! Look at the air on that one. Oh, I lost something too.
All right.
That's
yeah.
what we're witnessing right now. Oh, that's a good one. That was a good one. There you go.
Holy freaking moly! Everybody jumping so flawless. Final jump.
For $2,000.
$2 trillion. Final jump, boys. It's gonna be pretty cool. See if the X3 can come close. Oh, okay.
Not bad.
Enough said, baby. Yes, sir.
Good time, guys. Good time. All right, so you guys saw the long jump craziness. So last thing I think they're doing today is a little short course here. So we got a little short course set up at Silverback Speedway, just ripping through.
It's killing it.
Look at that. Look at that.
Got them all going at once. Ooh, they got that one sideways. Yeah, you see that? They're coming around over here.
This is wild.
Just ripping it.
Right on his butt too.
Going up this way. Send it in for a nice jump over there if you want to hit it. Oh. Woo, that's some high air. So, well, otherwise, it's a pretty fun time out here.
Yeah, this is great, guys. If you haven't been to an event like this, try it. I think they do this maybe twice a year now. But I don't know that for sure. But first time us being here, so we're just having a good time. So I'm trying to get the drone up, see if we can get a little different angle. So.
Hey, I'm putting you on the spot. What's up, man?
What's going on?
Talentless off-road. How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Doing good, man. How was the short
side-by-side blog? Freaking RACETOBER. Always a good time.
How was the short course?
Fun, intense, but fun.
Okay.
One lap made it. You had to really push it if you wanted to make it. So.
Heck yeah, dude.
It was fun. I'm just here to have a good time.
All right, well, good to see you, man. Good to meet you in person as well.
Nice to meet you too.
All right.
On camera.
Say that one more time for the camera.
I said I hate being on camera.
It's all good, man. You're gonna get more comfortable, you know. All right, buddy.
That makes me do it. I hate it.
You like, man? Come on, man. All right, guys, go follow them on YouTube, Talentless Off-Road. All right.
Thanks, man.
All right. I don't know who won. I can't tell who won. Oh yeah. Just power. Just power.
What a race.
This is wild, guys. If you're making future plans, come out here. Come out here to side-by-side blogs, event, Silverback, off-road, speedway, Hard, Michigan, Mears, Michigan, wherever it is, somewhere, one of the two. But I mean, this is like, I'm not even racing like this, and I'm just getting pumped up for the guys.
Yep.
So, top 16 once again, fastest guys out here. These guys are running like 3 seconds, you know. So, guys flattening out the track, and yeah. Good time.
It's getting intense. You could. Walking, baby, walking. I think the X3 got him, dude. Real out here.
I miss summer, man. I miss it.
Yes. Summer is over, but that doesn't mean this fun ends, okay?
Fun never ends.
Fun never ends. You guys come out and hang out with Side-by-Side Blog, or you hang out doing anything like this, just venture in the great outdoors. Who cares what season it is? It never ends, okay? So, great day, guys. We've seen the short coursing, we've seen long jump, we've seen the drag racing and the bracket racing, 16 top fastest cars you guys have seen, obviously, in the video. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, follow us. Okay, we do different things, but one thing we do, like I said, we just enjoy these machines and just watch cool people. So great time, guys. So remember, your next venture, whether it's in a side-by-side, on a dirt bike, quad, whatever it is just one step away. We'll see you guys.